So I'm back here with Victoria, and this is Victoria's corrective traction setup. Now, we talked before, and we know from her maneuver 4 that she's pressing her cage forward like this. Well, this strap right here is literally lifting her off and recreating the curve in her low back. So this is the corrective strap. But we also want to be conscious of what it's doing to other parts of her spine. Now, Victoria's been working on her cervical curve since the beginning to increase that cervical arch, that arc of life as we call it. And so we use this setup here with 1, 2, 3, 4 risers and a cervical bender roll to pull curve back in here. But for this traction, the main approach is to pull this junction between her thoracic spine and her lumbar back into curve, reducing that reversal there and helping correct those injured vertebrae and fix those subluxations. This is Victoria's corrective setup for her traction.